What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do a overview video. This isn't a review on this product because I haven't used it enough to call this a review. I actually tested it just a few times, but I'm going to do a quick unboxing, take some sample shots so you guys can hear this microphone system, what it sounds like. But if this is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I like to do a lot of travel content, camera, photography related content as well. And I also like to do some reviews. So if that's your kind of thing, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. So today we're going to talk about the Comica CVM-WS50C microphone system. This is for smartphones. So I'm very excited to try this system out. I've already taken a few shots with it, but we're going to do a quick unboxing, some sample shots. And I'm really curious to see how it performs up with the distance, because it says it's good up to 60 meters away. So I'm curious to see if that really holds up or not. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it and take a look at this mic system. Full disclosure, guys, this was sent to me by VideoNet, an Amazon seller. But as always, I'm going to give you guys my honest thoughts on this product. So let's take a look at it. Here it brings a nice carrying case. As I have a couple other Comica mics. They usually include a nice case, and this one's, the quality is not too bad. It's pretty good, gets the job done. As here on the inside, we have some cables here. Have the, this goes to the smartphone, 3.5 millimeter jack. Oh, also we have a lavalier mic. We have what seems to be a wind muff for the mic. There's a nice little wind muff there for the mic. And then we have the charging cable right here. This is a micro USB to USB charging cable. We'll put that to the side there. On here we have the warranty card, and we have the user manual. It includes a nice little tripod. This looks just like my Manfrotto Pixie mini tripod. All right, and here we have the actual receiver. This is where you'll put your phone on. Over here we have the transmitter. It includes one transmitter, and let's go ahead and test these out. Before we go outside, let's take a look at the receiver and transmitter first. A closer look here. So this is the actual receiver here. This is where you clamp on your phone. These are the phone clamps. And on the top here, you have a 1/4 inch thread. On the bottom, you have the other 1/4 inch thread, so you can put your tripod on the bottom. And if you want to attach like a light or something else up top, you could do that right there. And then you have the holders here that move in and out, these little clamps to adjust your phone. Like I said earlier, you just got to unscrew this here, put that there like that, and turn it back, and you're all set. Oh, right here you have your power button. You just long press that and it'll pop up, it'll turn on. You have your LED light here, or LED screen, and then you have your light here, and then you have your set button. The light is flashing green right now because I don't have the transmitter on, but once they're synced up, it'll be a solid green light. If the light is flickering in red, it means that it's low power. And if you want to just light up the LCD screen, you can press the set button there. All right, so let me go ahead and turn on the transmitter here. And so you'll see that both lights are green, solid green. Both of them have the same display, the LCD screen. You have your microphone icon there. You have your power level. You see your battery charge there. And then down here you have what they call the auto dynamic display bar. These use lithium batteries. I was unable to find the milliamp hours on them, but they are built-in lithium batteries. Okay, I actually found out the battery that this has. It's an 1150 milliamp hour battery, so that's good to know. I looked it up on their website, and that's what it's showing on the specifications for this battery. On the transmitter here, you have your USB socket for you to charge it. You have your microphone line, and there it says reset. And on both of them, you'll see that it has reset. If these are out of whack, or if they're not syncing up for whatever reason, you could use a taper tool and plug it in there, push it in there to reset the whole system. And on the back of the transmitter, you have another 1/4 inch thread, which is very useful if you want to attach this to like a tripod or somewhere else to mount this. You have that option there. And you have this belt clip right here, which you can actually take off, but I'm not going to mess with it. On the actual receiver here on the back, it's just solid there. In the front, again, you have your LCD screen. You have the power button there, so you could just press that or set to see the LCD screen. And if you want to change the channels, this is a 6-channel system. It goes from 0 to 5. You could change your channel there. Notice that I changed it from 0 the light's flashing green, but I'm gonna go back to 0 because I have them both on 0. And over here you have your volume adjust right here. So this is to actually adjust how loud you're recording. And then on the side here you have your output for your microphone. Your reset is also there, and then you have your micro USB port. And over here you have your head jack port, which is pretty awesome. You can monitor your audio. Back on the transmitter, you can actually mute this by just pressing the power button again. Just tap it, short tap or short press, and the red light will come on, and then you can see that the microphone is muted. To unmute it, you just quick press and it goes back to green. The Trs cable that it brings works well. However, if you have an iPhone 7 or a newer iPhone, you are going to have the lightning to 3.5 millimeter jack adapter in order for it to work. And you just plug that in like so, and then you plug it into your phone right here, and you're all set. And then over here you have your mini tripod. The quality of this one is very different from the Manfrotto one. This one's more plasticky, this one's more solid, but I just wanted to show you they're very similar, but it works well. And so you just attach that and you're all set. I'm on an iPhone XS right now, no microphone, internal mic, but this is just a setup I'm going to be using for these a couple test shots that I'm going to take. I have the Sony a7 III, and I have it with the Rode Wireless Go. Over here I have the iPhone XS Max with the Comica. Wish I could show you guys a different part of town, but as you know, we're unable to go. I'm actually recording on both. I have the iPhone over here, Sony a7 III, both mics. I'm going to back up a little bit. I don't know if it's picking up any of the wind, but this is what it sounds like. I'm about 20 feet away from the actual phone, and just wanted to do this little quick test here so you guys could hear it. Right now I'm talking to you guys through the Sony a7 III and the Rode Wireless Go system. So this is what that sounds like. Again, this is the Rode Wireless Go with the Sony a7 III. Check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3. Now I'm talking to you guys on the Comica system here with the iPhone XS Max. Again, this is a test. This is the Comica CVM-WS50, and this is a test of the Comica system. So check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3. So I'm talking to you guys on the Comica system, the smartphone wireless system. It's really windy out here. You can see we have some wind going. Well, not really, but we have a slight breeze going. And so just kind of doing the vlogging test here, because this is for smartphones, and a lot of people vlog with their smartphones. So I think this is a fantastic option if you're starting off. You know, this would be a nice system to invest in my opinion, because you even have a headphone jack to monitor your audio. And from the previous test that I've already done, it sounded pretty good. So let me know what you guys think. Does it sound pretty good or not? I actually just checked that last clip, and it sounded fine to me over the phone. I'm outside. I haven't gone on the computer or anything. Right now, I turned the volume down just a tad bit, or not the volume, the recording level down just a tad bit to see if this sounds a little bit better. So we'll go back and check this out on the computer. But yeah, the good thing is you have you can adjust the recording levels right here, right in front of you. Everything's accessible to you, very easy to control and handle. But let's go ahead and see how far I can go with the mic. It says up to 197 feet, so we'll give it a quick test. My son's gonna hold the camera here, and I'm gonna walk all the way down to see how far I can get before we break, or the signal starts falling apart. All right, so my son's gonna monitor me. You ready?
Yes.
Am I recording?
Yes.
We're good? All right, here we go. I'm gonna walk this way a little bit, and he's gonna let me know if the signal, or if he can still hear me, yes or no. You got thumbs up? All right, so right now I'm about 20 feet away. We're still good? Loud and clear? Gave me thumbs up. All right. So Marlon's telling me he can still hear me. Thumbs up? Yes or no? You can hear me clear? Wow, I'm pretty impressed. So yeah, that's pretty far. Right now I think I'm about, I'd say I'm about 200 feet. Can you hear me? Oh, he's telling me I'm kind of breaking up. So yeah, you see, I said I was about 200 feet away, and this is just an estimate. So yeah, I'm pretty far away from him right now. He's all the way at the end over there. This is not a scientific test by any means, but I wanted to give you guys an idea. I'm gonna cross the street. Got some people walking over here, so you can still hear me? So yeah, look, he's right there. I don't know if you can see him because of the sun there, but he's right there still. And I'm all the way over here. I'm gonna walk away. Actually, I'm gonna walk down this street a little bit and see if you can hear me. You can still hear me? Oh no, he's telling me I'm breaking up. So yeah, this is actually really far from him. So I'm pretty impressed with how good this is working. By the way, like this video if you find that you're getting some value out of it. I really appreciate that. Let's go back in. We'll talk in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back in the house, but I want to do one more additional test. I want to go in the other room to see how the mic works. I'm going to leave my phone here. I'm recording on my iPhone right now, but this is supposed to work up to 30 meters away in a barrier area, or if you have walls and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and step outside and I'll be right back. Let's go ahead. So yeah, I'm just stepping into my living room here. We just got the wall. You guys can see me. I'm out here talking. My phone's still inside. Just wanted to do a test shot. I'm going to actually walk over here to the kitchen. I should have set the cameras up differently, but I'm about, I would say, I don't know, we got this living room. There's another wall. I'm over here in the kitchen right now, and I think I'm about 30 feet away. So let's go back inside and see how this sounds. All right. So back in here, a few things I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video. The wireless transmission on this is 520 to 526 megahertz, and the transmitting power is 15 dBm. So that's just the signal strength. In addition to that, there's a few things that I think it's important for you guys to know. If you're an Android user, they recommend you use a third-party app. It'll work in audio mode, but it may not work while you're recording video. So keep that in mind if you're an Android user. It does not work with the Google Pixel phone either. So aside from that, I was very pleased with the results. I felt like my voice was a little bit heavy, or the bass was a little heavy on there. But straight out of camera or straight out of the smartphone, I mean, it's very usable. If I needed to, I could probably tweak it a little bit in post. But I do like that it has the headphone jack, so you can monitor your audio, which is awesome. Just one minor gripe would have to be the volume level here. It is stepless. It is very easy to adjust, but you really have no way of seeing where you're at on the LCD screen when you're moving this. So you have to kind of play around with it before you actually start, or adjust it before you start actually filming. If you want more control over your audio, you could probably use another app like Filmic Pro, which I didn't use in this video. Everything I did here was just using the built-in app on the iPhone XS Max. Really pleased with it, to be honest with you. Very surprised, like I said, with the distance. I said earlier that maybe if you're starting off, it's currently at $169, so I know that that's not that cheap. And there's cheaper options like a smaller shotgun mic, like the Comica shotgun mic or the Rode shotgun mics for about $50, $60. And there's some other cheaper ones out there on Amazon. But I'll link everything down below so you guys can check everything out for yourself. They are affiliate links. They won't cost you any additional money, but please consider using those links because they will help me and my channel out. But yeah, overall, very pleased with it. I think I'll use this a little more often now for those type of shoots where I don't want to carry a camera and I just want to bring my iPhone with me. Great for vlogging, great for smartphone filmmakers. I think it's a great addition. It's a great way to step up your audio and get the mic closer to your person or closer to your talent to improve that audio quality. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found some value in it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.